Hi, we're part of the AHS230 Physical Hydrology class at St. Cloud State University, and today we're going to talk about the importance of watersheds and the differences between an urban watershed and a more natural watershed. A watershed is an area of land where all the precipitation and water runoff end up in the same location. Our video depicts two separate watersheds, one watershed being an urban watershed with very limited pervious surfaces, and the other watershed being a more natural landscape. Before the experiment began, we assumed that the natural landscape would erode heavily due to the sandy nature of the area combined with the lack of root structures. The urban landscape was assumed to cause evident sediment runoff, but with overall less erosion since the landscape was covered with an asphalt mat. To begin the experiment, we simulated a rain event over the impervious watershed. As predicted, runoff flowed towards the concentrated stream with a higher velocity than the watershed to be shown later. Not only did the stream gain velocity as the amount of flow increased, but the nearby pervious hill began showing signs of erosion as it made its way to the stream and was flushed out. The problem with sediment entering our modern urban stormwater systems is it can fill storm drains and basins, which increase the flood potential, as well as increase the cost of the treatment of drinking water. The other watershed experiment involved a more natural watershed of small streams and tributaries trying to handle a severe rain event in a pervious yet erodible watershed. As you can see, the stream will become overwhelmed quickly and begin eroding as they join into a larger stream because of the soil type being more sandy instead of clay. The problem with such large amounts of sedimentation within a natural stream or river is the detrimental impact that sediment can have on the organisms within the watershed and the natural environment. Some of these issues include reduced photosynthesis for aquatic plants because of a higher turbidity and total suspended solids in the water, eutrophication and excess nutrients from agricultural and urban runoffs, degradation of macroinvertebrate environments, bugs and insects, harm to fish breeding such as eggs destroyed or breeding grounds altered, clogs fish gills, reduces water clarity which impedes aquatic organisms' ability to find food sources. Remember, water goes downhill.